my link tag has started processing. So I'll just set parsing link to true, and if that if my queue name or my end element returns this, then this link title has been closed, and whatever was written in this, that or the correct whatever the characters will be written inside this, that will be uh, read by the characters element or the character method. So just use character method, just type characters, and it will automatically give us the suggestion, and we'll just implement this. So here we'll say if we are parsing the title, then if my current item is not equal to null, then I'll just say current item dot set title, then new string, and in this we'll just give the character, and then start, and then length. Then so as I told you that our current item will be currently the item which will be getting processed. So if our current item is item 1 and this is processed by item, so if we have 5 items, then each item will be processed one by one, and the item which will currently be processed, that will be called as current item. So if our item 1 has been processed, then the current item will be item 2, because now we want to process this. So here as we have written, if my current item is not equal to null, then my current item set title, whatever the title is there, the total characters and the start position of it, whatever the start to length, up to the total length, which is or the length that or I'll explain you here. Suppose if in my title there are 20 characters, then start will be the first character of that link of the title, and the end will be the total length of that character. So it will entirely write the entire character as the title of this. So if I'll say else if I'm parsing the link, then my current item dot set link, again in this also will be just new string, character, then start, and then length, the total length of that. And after this we'll be just setting the parsing link to false. Now our link has been parsed, so we can just set it to false. Now title and link has been passed, so we can just say that we have passed it, so we'll just set the parsing link to false. So this was our live score handler class, which will be handling everything. Now coming back to our RSS reader, where we finished it, and now we'll be just changing the code. Here we'll be creating an object of our live score handler class. Live score handler equals new live score live score handler, and then we have created our sax parser. Sax parser dot parse method is there, which is used to parse it, and in this we'll be giving the RSS URL, and then we'll be just giving the handler, the object of our handler class, which was live score handler, and this will just return handler dot get items. Since this get items was returning a list of live score link title class, so we'll just get all the processed links or the items. And now coming back to our main activity class, in which we'll be just giving out the link. and whatever the link we want to use for our RSS reader, since we are gonna use a Cricket website or a Cricket RSS URL. So we'll just go ahead and create that. First of all, RSS reader, we'll just say RSS reader equals new RSS reader. In this we have to give the RSS URL, so we'll just give that in a moment. And after this, as we have a list view, and then we'll say items, whatever the items will be there. Find view by ID, r.id dot my list main view. And since it is returning an object, we need to cast this into list view. So there you go. And then we'll have one adapter that will be array adapter, which will be supplying the values. And this will be supplying values of live score link title, and then this is the class where this is located, and then we'll be using android dot r dot layout just dot simple underscore list, oops, I'm sorry, list item 1 dot this is our list item 1, and then we can say the values to it will be provided by RSS reader dot get items. So this, we have created our adapter. So let's say what's it saying, unhandled exception, so we can just catch it, surround with try catch, which we have done. If it, in case it throws any errors, then we'll just catch it. So we can say items dot set adapter, and in this case we'll just passing our adapter which we have created.